Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe down below. So today I have kind of like a meal prep video. The first one is this new recipe that I saw on Jessica O'Donoghue's channel, Cool Ranch Tacos. They were bomb. They were so good. So that I'm including as a meal prep because you can prep all the meat ahead of time and then make your tacos or taco salad or whatever. But I'm telling you, try it out with that recipe because it was so good. Then I threw in just a random dinner that we had, and then the next two are meal preps that I love. They were so good. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. So we're gonna be doing them in the Instant Pot, and I'm gonna be putting on saute. But I'm just gonna put my ground beef in there, and then we're gonna bring it outside. Actually, I don't have any taco seasoning, so we're gonna be using Tex-Mex seasoning. Just use what you got. So I'm putting that in there, and then the secret ingredient is some hidden ranch. So I'm gonna put in half the pack because I haven't tried this yet. So potentially next time we'll put the whole thing in, depending on how much beef you have. But oh my gosh, this looks so good. And then it'll cook up with the little bit of fat that's in there. Nice and seasoned. And we're gonna go saute it outside. Okay, so I have the hamburger in here. I cut up lettuce, cheese, these wraps. I have the protein up wraps that I'm gonna have, and then I have normal wraps, salsa, mayo, and my mom is cutting up tomatoes. Okay, so we're gonna make protein balls, and first you need a cup and a half of no stir creamy peanut butter. So I'm going to use 3 half cups, I think, just so that I can keep the peanut butter all in one. Okay, so I'm using a different tripod today, so I feel like it looks a little different, but so we have 1.5 cups of peanut butter. We're gonna do a half a cup of honey. I love these little bear honeys. They're so cute. I find honey super hard to get out with one hand. You could probably use maple syrup. I usually use maple syrup and stuff, so next time I would probably use maple syrup, but I had honey to use up, so why not? So then you want half a cup also. We'll just do the half a cups first of protein powder. So it says vanilla, and I feel like that would probably be your best bet, but I don't have any. So I have this 6-star salted caramel, which I don't recommend because I find, well, I want to try it, but I find chocolate and vanilla, 1 scoop is half a cup. I find chocolate and vanilla are super versatile, whereas the salted caramel is kind of like an odd flavor to mix with stuff. Definitely vanilla is the most versatile, but this is why sometimes I don't like making these because it's so fucking stinky. Here, now I don't know where to put this. Hold on. So yeah, I'm trying to get rid of the salted caramel one, but next time I'll just stick to chocolate or vanilla because, again, way easier to put in things. So then I'm gonna do a cup and 1/3 of old-fashioned oats. I'm just gonna pour that into here. And you're gonna put a little bit of salt, and then it says mini dark chocolate chips. I don't have any of those, so I'm just gonna put full-on chocolate chips in here. Look at that. Also, if you can hear something in the background, that would be my laundry machine. We've been staying at the trailer, so I had laundry to do, and it was so nice just to be able to throw it in. And that's it. Then you just mix it up, and I'm gonna line a baking sheet with parchment paper and then put them on there and then put them in the fridge. Let's try a little bit of the dough. Okay, that is like perfect. Even with the salted caramel, it tastes really good. So with the vanilla, I think it would taste even better. So I'm just taking a tablespoon measuring spoon because I don't got anything fancy for this. And then I know that they're all around the same size. And then I kind of just help roll them into a ball. Once they get colder too, you can roll them more if you want, and it's a lot easier, but these will work for now. These look amazing. I'm gonna share this recipe also on my Instagram, which is Wild Country Lifestyle, so go check that page out if you haven't yet. So I put them in the fridge, and then you just let them cool, and then probably in like 4 hours I'm gonna put them in a container and keep them in the fridge. You can also freeze them and then pull them out whenever you want, which I might do half of them frozen actually, then they last longer. Okay, so I'm back at home. No, I was in the trailer in the last video. So I just got home from the trailer and we literally have no food. I have to go tomorrow. I'm gonna do a Costco haul tomorrow. So I have these chicken Kievs. These are from Costco, and I think they're the Parmesan ones. So they have like marinara sauce and cheese in them, but you can also get the ones that are ham and cheese and broccoli and cheese. I haven't tried the broccoli and cheese ones, but I think they'd be good, so maybe I'll buy some of those tomorrow. But let me show you what I'm doing. I have the oven at 425 right now, and sorry, I'm using a different tripod, so I have to figure it out still. But so I have this baking sheet with those two, and then these Cavendish fries from Costco also. These are our favorite. They're so good. Unfortunately, I forgot my air fryer at the trailer. So normally I would be using an air fryer, but this will have to do. It's gonna be a sad time because we're gonna have to eat these from the oven. We haven't done that in a while because we love our air fryer. So this is gonna be dinner tonight. Not healthy in any sorts of ways, but it gets the job done for one night until I can get to the store tomorrow. And this is why I always have this kind of food here, because it's something we need freezer food, because that tripod's really throwing me off. I like having freezer food like this because otherwise we would have to order a pizza or like get takeout. When Derek's not home yet, on his way home he can get takeout, but it saves us lots of money and it's a little tiny bit healthier than what we would get at the store. So definitely more about the saving money part, and the easy part, like, I don't worry. I'm like, okay, well, anyways, if we don't have food, we always have stuff like this in the freezer that we can make. So I just find that helps us a lot from eating out and not worrying. So also I put it on at 425, and it usually takes like 25 to 30 minutes, and he's around 30 minutes from home, so I'm gonna stick it in there. Okay, so today we're gonna be meal prepping a chicken salad, and I'm really excited to try this. So the first ingredient is chopped up celery. So I just took some of this rotisserie chicken and put it in here, and then I'm just gonna do a couple squirts of this calorie-wise Miracle Whip. You can use mayonnaise, whatever you want. I don't want it too saucy, but if that's how you like it, do what you please. Some salt and pepper, some dried cranberries, some pecan pieces, and then we're gonna chop up a little bit of an apple. Let's just put some apple pieces in there, and then lastly I'm just gonna put a little bit of lemon juice on there just to make sure that it doesn't go bad or anything. Oh my gosh, this like reminds me of fall. I think it's the cranberries, apples, and pecans. There you go. So I just paired it with some crackers. I'm just gonna eat it like this, and it looks so good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.